Hey everyone, so in this week's video I'm going to be doing another weekly plan with me for you guys, and this week I'm going to be using another BEaYOUtiful planning kit from Etsy, and I will have this kit as well as the shop link down below like I do in all of my videos. This kit that I am using is the glitter kit and I am in love. So the first thing I'm going to start with are the glitter headers. And I wanted to kind of talk you guys through a little more what I'm actually doing in this video, because I know in all of my other videos you guys can see what I'm doing, but I figured I would kind of talk you through it and give you like a step-by-step. So first thing you guys can't see is that over here on the side of my iPad, I actually have it split screened so that my photos are over here. It's pretty easy to do, but I would definitely just look it up on Google. It's super easy, and I did it by accident, and I don't even know that they all work the same. So that is what I would do if I was you. So the first thing you do is you're going to somehow get your picture imported into GoodNotes. For me, because I do the multitasking split screen, I just drag and drop, but I'm not going to do that because that sheet's already in here. You can also click up here and you can click image, and then you can click photos, and then you can select from there. You can also click, actually here, and then you can also long tap and click image and photos, and then it'll pop up. Same thing, just little different ways to do it. So once I get this in here, normally what I do is actually I usually remove the backgrounds, but because these are such light pinks and blues, it actually like does not get rid of the white background only, it also gets rid of the color. So in this case, I'm just going to be cropping it down to the size that I need. So I'm going to get it relatively close to the glitter header size. I'm not super concerned because I can actually go back in a second time and clean it up, which is what I normally do. Okay. Then I just click done. And then I'm going to come over here. Now, sizing is kind of hard because it resizes from both sides, so you have to be aware of that. If you're going to be resizing it, you kind of have to like try to resize it from the middle. You're also going to have better luck if you make your screen larger if you're on an iPad and the only thing you're looking at is that one block. Now, what I do once I get that all figured out and I actually have it sized correct, I use this lasso tool, and right now it's on handwriting and images. It doesn't really matter. This is an image, so for the current second it doesn't matter the setting. Then I just lasso around it, long tap, I click copy, and then I just move over and I click paste. And this is what I do for all of the glitter headers, and then I do the same general thing with full boxes, but I don't copy and paste those since I have to, since I use different ones each time. Now, if you're going to be using the same full box, then you definitely can just copy and paste. I tend to do that with like my checklist if I'm just going to do a checklist. I also this week think I might do some different planning, so we will see. So now that that's done, I'm going to move on to checklists. And actually, no, yeah, I am. So I'm going to move on to checklists, which if you guys watch my videos, you know I normally don't do. I normally do my or I'm going to do like the list flags, heart flag checklist. I don't really know what you would call them, but not the full box checklist though. And if you guys have watched my videos before, you guys know how much I love my actual like full checklist. However, I think it's only fitting that I just try to do these because I've been doing that like hybrid white space full box spread planning stuff. So I'm going to attempt. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. I think I'm going to make it about that big. I think that's big enough. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy and paste this over on all of them. I don't know if I'll like this. Currently, I don't think I'm going to, but I did want to at least give it a try. Plus, in this case, I'll show you guys at the end of this last week, but last week I started putting icons down, like character sticker type icons, and I can't put them on the checklist and still check stuff off. So I think that this will end up working out for me because I can put the character checklist, or wow, I can mark off the checklist and I can put the characters next to that. Okay. So I'm only going to do 3 heart checklists because usually the rest of what I end up doing is with icons anyway. But then because of that, I'm actually going to go in with some washi. This is like the washi, the bottom washi for the Erin Condren. Is what I'm going to be currently attempting to do something. What the? Okay. Thank you. Oh, do not. No, okay. Crop. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the long piece. And what I think I'm actually going to do is run it all the way across the bottom. Even though obviously the boxes are not together, I think I'm going to run it along the bottom just like I would if I was using it as washi. I'm going to try to size it down to about 4 boxes wide, which honestly is easier said than done, I think, most days. Okay. Right. I mean, that's relatively close there. Alright, and then we're just going to copy and paste that. And then I'm going to try to line this up as perfectly as possible. And then I'm going to crop. I'm going to crop this. This is, when you have to start cropping images down, it's definitely kind of more trial and error. And definitely, you definitely don't want to take off too much. So I think I'm taking, okay. I need to take off a little bit more. This is honestly what takes me the longest when I do these, because if you take off too much, you won't get it back. And then you gotta start over. Okay. So that looks like this looks like it's pretty close, and I'm probably just gonna leave it with, yeah, there's like a slight bit of overhang, but if I don't get it this next time, I'm just going to leave it. Yep. See, that's why I said if you take too much, then you can't add to it. So I'm going to make this slightly bigger. And there we go. So I have this along the bottom like it's going to be bottom washi. And I really like how that's looking. But then I'm also going to come back in because it does have glitter washi, like a thin glitter washi strip. I hope you guys could see that. If you guys couldn't, I'm so sorry. And I'm going to take that long one again. Okay. And I'm going to put it on top. Okay, and then pasty. Okay, and then crop quite a bit. Alright, and then that's what I've got going on the bottom, and I really like that. So now I'm going to go in with some appointment labels, and I'm going to put those in down at the bottom for work. And then I'm going to use, I was going to do my one that I was going to use for work, but I think instead I'm actually going to use this one that says shopping time, since I work at a retail store. And I just realized that in this camera, I believe it looks blue, but her hair is definitely like a super dark, super rich purple. the date covers up top like I did last week, but I think for now I'm going to leave them because I like the date covers, but I also like the way that this is looking this week. So let me go ahead and show you guys last week's. So this is the almost end of the week spread. It's Wednesday, so it's not completely filled out, but there's a lot of stuff already filled out. You guys can maybe see some interesting stickers that I did not put. I forgot to put laundry day down. Anyway, some interesting stickers that I did not put on next week's spread, and take from that what you will. And maybe in the future you'll be seeing some of this. I am going to add in that laundry sticker real quick. I'm actually going to just, like copy and paste this one over. We'll just put it right there. Okay. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that it is a little less ridiculous than last week, since I'm not like ranting and raving at the beginning of it. Please let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Also, let me know if you guys have any requests for like kits that you would like to see or videos you would like to see. And yeah, I will see you guys all next week. If you want to see like pretty much daily updates on my planner spread, you can follow me on Instagram, which I will have my @name right on the screen for you guys. And you guys can also go join over on the Facebook group, where I love to see people share pictures of their own personal planners, but I also show pictures of my planner as well. So I will see you guys all next time. Bye!